Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. The convenient espresso has made a splash in home coffee sales with the Nespresso coming on top. Nespresso machines are easy to use at any skill level but more expensive than traditional entry-level espresso machines. This is the Nespresso Inissia with the mechanical milk frother. The Nespresso machines use a pod system much like the Keurig but for espresso. There are many different types of pods available online, from the 70+ cent Nespresso brand all the way down to the 25 cent or less off brands. Most of the off-brands use an inferior method for the pod with the back cut open, causing it to go stale quicker. When the machine is engaged, the back is popped open to allow for the extraction. I will be using the Elite brand's sealed pods, which stay fresh like the Nespresso brand pods. The first thing is to make sure that the machine is empty of the last pod and filled with water in the rear reservoir, then turn it on. This will clean the pipes of any residue. That brown water will result in a subpar brew. Empty the cup and repeat the process. Now the water is clean. Rinse the cup in the cleaning process or simply use a new cup. Place the cup under the spout, open the hatch, place your pod in the receptacle, and close the hatch. Press the button to start the extraction process. The Nespresso machine will shut itself off when complete. Grab your cup, make sure you also grab the drip tray and pop it down. For a cappuccino, remove the top of the milk frother and add milk just above the frothing spring. Add more or less for your taste. Press the button once to turn on the heat frothing. Long press to turn on the cold frothing. After a few moments, the frother will complete the cycle and automatically turn off. Remove the cap and pour the milk into your espresso. The frother can be rinsed, so go ahead and do that before the milk dries. Place the frother back on the base and the top upside down and loose to ensure that the water dries completely. Open the hatch to drop the pod into the pod basket and discard the pod and empty the drip tray. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also enjoy it. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences with this or other pod-based espresso machines, as well as with the pods themselves. Make sure you tune in next time for another espresso explosion.